So, ito na yung kinuha ko, guys. So, what I did is ito. Kasi hindi ko marunong. Sana may tumulong sa akin. Magpakuha pala. Nakatingin na lahat sila sa akin. So, ito na yung kinuha. So, ayan mga ma'am. Ito na yung kinuha natin. Sobrang dami. Kapag medyo pa-sweet lang yung labs ko. Ano parang creamy mushroom?
For today is one of my favorite brand of corned beef. This Delimundo Caldereta corned beef. You should try it. It's very, it is delicious. One of the best brand of corned beef. Let's open it. Okay. Looks like, this is what it looks like. The Caldereta. Let's pull it out.